Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to be talking about countertops. So I'm finally taking off these black countertops. I'm not obsessed with them, but they're not that bad. But the thing that I don't like about black is that you can't really see the dirt. So I'm finally changing them up. I decided to do this marble look that I found from Amazon. I'm gonna try these out. It's my first time trying them, so let's see how it turns out. So what you're gonna need is, of course, your peel and stick, your scissors and a blade, and something to press down when you're peeling it and sticking it. So the first thing you want to do is, of course, remove everything and make sure you clean everything really good. You don't want nothing or no hard surface, nothing that it's gonna get in the way, and you're gonna be able to tell once you put in the peel and stick. So now you're gonna get the center and try to peel it off. You're gonna start off right in the center. So this is the marble that I'm gonna be using. I chose this one because it has like a white, gold, and a little bit of gray, and it matches my kitchen and the living room. So this is the first step that I did. I went and I chose the corner, and I didn't bring the whole back off. I just took off a little bit. I peeled it off, and then here I go. I'm pressing it with my hands. You can also use a credit card or whatever you have to press it down, but this is working really good because the countertops is like a stone and it's sticking really good. As you guys can see, it's really hard to like take it off. So once it's there, it's hard for me to like peel it back off. And here is the credit card that I'm using. I'm just pressing it down and make sure you don't get no bubbles, and if you do, you could peel it off and put it back on, but it's really easy. And here I am. I'm doing piece by piece. So now I'm on the edge, so I'm gonna go ahead and leave a little bit of a longer piece, just so I could go inside and I won't have to worry about cutting the edges. So make sure on the side of the edges you make a cut. You want to fold it in, and it sticks really good. I really like this. I really like this one because I remember maybe like a few months back I had bought one and it wasn't as thick like this one. This one is really thick, sturdy, and is water resistant. I've been having it for a week already. I did take forever to record this just so I could give you guys a review, and it's about a week, maybe a week and a half that I've been having it. And honestly, I cook and I clean every day, so I could tell you guys this is a really good peel and stick. And also it was really easy to cut because if you guys can see, it has lines, so it was really easy for me to measure it and just cut it out. And this is the hard part. Once you get to the sink, you have to cut the sides, and I did end up cutting this part because a lot of water does fall through there, so it was easy just to take it off. So on my last layer, I'm finally almost done. It did take me about maybe 5 hours, just because I wanted to get it really straight, make sure there was no bumps, nothing under, but it's coming out really great. I can't wait to share this with you guys. So I was having a little bit of hard time right here because, as you guys can see, I did rip off the back, and it was ripping off in little pieces or in half. So just be careful when you peel it off. Make sure you want to peel it off together so you wouldn't have to struggle like I did in this part. But other than that, everything is coming out smooth, and I can't wait to share this with you guys. this is the final look. It looks really beautiful. Looks like a different house. Honestly, the black was really nice too, but I was just tired of it. So it's been about a week already that I've been having it, and honestly it looks like the same as the same day I put it on. It looks nice. It looks so beautiful. Honestly, I'm in love with it. It's so easy to clean, to wipe off the stains, the water. It's really easy. It's water resistant. It just looks gorgeous. My house looks different. It looks brighter finally. So these jars, I had to purchase them in Michael's, I believe, for like $5 each. And honestly, I just got the tops and I spray painted them gold and I put the rope on it. And this here is a DIY from Dollar Tree that I did. It's just a candle holder and the top. And yeah, just a Dollar Tree, and that's my little plant. She's so cute. But yeah, I'm not done actually decorating here, but I hope you guys like this video. Make sure you give it a thumbs up. I do have more videos coming in, and this is my before and after. Thank you for watching my video.